Good morning, students. See, first of all, let us understand the difference between interest, treasure and potential. Treasure means whatever we have, but the potential means what we can achieve through our interest, through our hard work, through our skills, and create a treasure. Do you understand what I mean to convey? It is, you have average 50, more than 50 students in your class. In every class there are more than 50 students. So, it is up to us that how do we carry our interest, how do we change our interest into a treasure, our potential into a treasure. If someone in our class is good at drawing, someone might be having a potential to become a good dancer. Someone is having a potential to be a good poet, a good dancer, a good artist, a good writer, and good mathematician, good scientist. Even a sports person. Nowadays, there is a good career in the field of sports even. Earlier, in our childhood, it was not considered to take part in sports. Even our parents did not think of providing any career, did not think of having any career in sports even. Okay? So, nowadays you have a number of options to turn your potential into your treasure. It is obvious that there are so many students in our class and everyone is having a different option, different interest, different hobby which could be turned into a treasure, a source of income. Nowadays you must have seen during this corona period a number of household women, they pursued their career even in cooking. Now they are earning a lot. So cooking is also a source of earning, which was not considered earlier. But nowadays it has opened the door of the income to even a household lady. This story is all about a man, Hafiz contractor, who is an architect by profession. Architect. It is a science that deals with designing houses and buildings, dams. कोई भी चीज़ बनाने के लिए पहले चीज़ मतलब बिल्डिंग, डैम, big buildings, large planned buildings, they have to be planned and designed. कोई भी बिल्डिंग, इवन हम छोटा सा घर भी बनाते हैं उसके पहले एक डिज़ाइन बनाना पड़ता है उसका, then accordingly it is built. And our figure of character, it is Hafiz contractor. The main character of the story is Hafiz contractor, who is an architect by profession. His journey to the success has been given in this story. Are you getting my point? His journey to the success has been given because it tells us that how can we turn our potential into and skills into our career. You can become a good sports person, You can become a good poet. You can become a good writer. You can become a good player, good musician, good instrument player, good singer, good dancer. Anyone. The only need is to put in efforts to first of all identifying your skill and then putting efforts to develop that skill into your career and profession. Even these activities give and bring peace to our heart. They bring peace to our brain. They are a source of happiness, pleasure, joy, and they can become our life and soul of our life. हमारे जीवन का एक अटूट अभिन्न हिस्सा बन सकती है ये, अगर हम अपनी स्किल्स को पहचानें, अपने इंटरेस्ट को पहचानें और उसमें अपने एफर्ट्स डालें, अपनी एबिलिटीज़ को पहचानें. I hope you are getting my point. So, Hafiz Contractor is one of the greatest and leading architects in India. He runs a firm. उनकी अपनी एक कंपनी है that has employed more than 350 people, employees, and they include senior associates, architects, designers, engineers, and support staff. Okay, the firm has designed and executed a wide range of projects like bungalows, hospitals, hotels, corporate offices, institutions, even townships. Township मतलब बहुत लार्ज एरिया में कॉलोनीज बनाना, एयरपोर्ट्स, रेलवे स्टेशन. जस्ट इमेजिन कितने लार्ज एरिया में इन्होंने क्या क्या चीज़ नहीं प्लानिंग की, क्या जस्ट इमेजिन डैम, एयरपोर्ट, हॉस्पिटल्स. दे रिक्वायर्ड ए लॉट एंड लॉन्ग प्लानिंग. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमने कुछ प्लान कर लिया. उनकी बिल्डिंग के डिज़ाइन के लिए बहुत सोचना पड़ता है, एरिया प्लान करना पड़ता है. देन साइट मतलब जगह की डिज़ाइन बनानी पड़ती है. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट. ही प्लान वेरियस इंस्टीट्यूशंस, कॉरपोरेट ऑफिसेज, बंगलोज एंड हॉस्पिटल्स, होटल्स. होटल की प्लानिंग करने के लिए एक अलग तरह का माइंडसेट चाहिए, ना कि घर के बिल्कुल अलग होगा वो. इट इज़ ऑब्वियस. ओके, सो इन दिस लेसन वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न, वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट दिस लेसन because this lesson is all about Hafiz Contractor. As I told you, one of the leading architects. It is based on the conversation of an interviewer, Bella Raja. That's why it is shortened BR. ठीक है, बेला राजा लिखा हुआ है, BR, and HC is for Hafiz Contractor. Okay. So every child has a potential. He can become an achiever in life. Let's begin our lesson. Hafiz Contractor was an unhappy schoolboy, as most of the children might be having this unhappiness. He loved doing things but detested mechanical learning. Mathematics gave him the shivers. What his principal once said to him influenced him deeply. कैसा था बच्चा ये? Hafiz Contractor was an unhappy school child. बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता था उसको स्कूल में. उसको काम करना अच्छा लगता था. He loved doing things but detested mechanical learning. जैसे रट्टू तोता होता है ना, वो उसको बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था. मैकेनिकल लर्निंग, जैसे हम टेक्स्ट बुक लर्न किया, टेक्स्ट बुक से या क्वेश्चन से, कॉपी से. He did not like that sort of learning, mechanical learning. Why this word mechanical is used here? Because it gave him, It gave him an unhappiness. He found it a mechanical one. जैसे मशीन की तरह से लर्न करना वो उसको बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था. What his principal, even mathematics gave him shivers. मैथमेटिक्स का तो नाम सुनते ही वो कांपने लग जाता था. मैथमेटिक्स gave him shivers. shivers मतलब उसको कांपना छूट जाता था मैथ्स का नाम सुनते ही. But one day the principal of his school called him, and whatever he said influenced him. Whatever the principal told him, he was very much influenced. He was deeply influenced with the words of the principal. Okay? So, we should begin the lesson. I used to have this terrible nightmare. Only now, over the last 4 or 5 years, it seems to have disappeared. Hafiz contractor बोल रहे हैं बेला राजा से कि that he used to have this terrible nightmare. खतरनाक डरावना, nightmare means सपने, and terrible, बहुत खतरनाक डरावने सपने आते थे उसको. बस पिछले 4-5 साल से ये अब नहीं आते. These terrible nightmares now did not appear to have disappeared over the last 4 to 5 years. पिछले 4-5 सालों से ये डरावने सपने नहीं आते. Otherwise, I used to have terrible nightmares. What nightmares are you talking about, and why do you think it has disappeared now? Bella asked him that what kind of nightmares you are talking about. किन डरावने सपनों की बात कर रहे हैं आप? And why do you think they have disappeared? अब क्यों लगता है आपको कि अब नहीं आते? I used to get continuous nightmares about disappearing for a maths examination where I did not know anything. Just think कि before maths examination he used to have these nightmares, terrible nightmares, मैथ्स के एग्ज़ाम के पहले. और क्या आता था कि वो एग्ज़ाम में अपीयर हो गए, मैथ्स एग्ज़ाम में, एंड ही डिड नॉट नो एनीथिंग. उनको कुछ नहीं आ रहा है, वहाँ पेपर लिखने बैठ गए. नाउ द साइक मस्ट हैव गॉटन आउट. अब साइक का मतलब होता है मेंटलिटी, साइकोलॉजी. अब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अब ये साइकोलॉजी ख़त्म हो गई है. आई डोंट हैव टू थिंक अबाउट एजुकेशन एंड देयर इज एब्सोल्युटली नो टाइम टू गेट नाइटमेयर्स. Now, what did he say? He did not have any time to think about education, and now there was no time. Now there is no time to have those terrible nightmares because he is too busy in his own work. So, I hope you have understood the introductory part of the lesson.